Hello guys, I am Lutvik and my friend is Pawan Kumar, but now he is not available with us to view his points. But anyhow, we came up with an interesting topic known as software testing tools. I think mostly you listen the word software testing. So first we will go with the software introduction about software testing. Software testing is a process of verifying a system with the purpose of identifying any errors, gaps, and missing the requirements on actual requirements. And mainly, software testing broadly divided with two types: functional and non-functional testing. The functional testing is a type of software testing that is validates the software systems against the functional requirements for specification. And non-functional testing is defined as a type of software testing to check non-functional aspects like performance, usability, reliability, etc. of a software application. It is designed to state it is designed to test the readiness of a systems as per non-functional parameters which never addressed by functional testing. Let me For better understanding, let me tell an exact example on non-functional testing. That could be how many people can log in simultaneously or parallelly into a particular browser, or log in or particular length login applications or something like that. So for clarity, now let us move on to what is meant by Worksoft. This is the topic which we are going to discuss about, and this was the logo for the Worksoft, where the Worksoft is a software testing company designed in 1988, and the company provides an automation platform for test automation and also business process discovery and documentation supporting enterprises applications including Packard and Packard Web, etc. It means a Worksoft is recognized by industries more restly and flexible automation platform for enterprise applications like tabs, SAP, Oracle, etc. and also web, etc. To know more, let us move on for a brief introduction about Worksoft, where Worksoft is an automation platform for on business process testing. This will automate the full life cycle of our business processes, and also it discovers process to in testing to RPA. RPA means robotic process automation in one seamless codeless automated software testing. It means where an automate the full life cycle of our end-to-end business process discovery to testing to RPA takes place in one seamless and codeless platform. And also Worksoft allows us to easily create, maintain and share consume automated end-to-end business process, as Worksoft tool is a completely code free, and it is a good software tool for beginners who wants to learn, and also it enables non-technical business aspects and also for IT to work in parallel speed delivery. We can work with users and IT in parallel way so that we can deliver speedily the manual require and also reduce the manual errors. And also it accelerates projects, increase efficiency and mitigate risk with continuous automated testing of end-to-end business process. And also let us see the futures of the Workshop. It is the best scriptless automation tool. Scriptless automation tool, and also very helpful for programmers. And also it's the best tool for beginners who want to write a code. and also works with many interfaces, SAP application based and projects in data processing, web, Windows, Java, Silverlight mobile. Here you may get and out what is meant by Silverlight. Silverlight is nothing but it's a coding part with the richness of the internet, which states the most speed internet, and it also follow the record and playback approach. And also the works of data driven testing is supported in data driven testing is supported in Worksoft. It is a good customer support provided for provided by Worksoft, and also support continuous integration of the data which users may use, and also cross browser and platform support is provided by Worksoft, and it enables integration of data which leads the developer and HPLM reviews, and advanced reporting, analytic and documentation generation. Reports are in Worksoft. It is the best future where the reports are very clear with the details and step-by-step process, screenshots and test data. And let us see the merits and also demerits of the Worksoft, where the Workshop Certify makes it is easier yet flexible and end to handle some of the most complex automation tasks. Every time steps are automated and test execution times are reduced and application problems are identified faster. Where every time that automated script runs very fastly. The investment of work made to develop the scripts is realized. It means many times the developed early enough and applied each change of the application being tested and the current environment and leveraged in and to environment. And also one of the big advantage of Worksoft is very user friendly. We can use it we can use it more easily and more comfortable, and the test steps are written in English user friendly language where anybody can logically look them and figure out the task which we need can do. And the Worksoft support will provide definitely in case of some concepts components on the page to work well or not identifiable. It is very easy to cut, paste, and insert the and delete the data and also codes. You don't need programming skills more in this for soft tool testings. So that by the adoption rate is by the users are much more than other tools. And the demerits are application version had to be modified to support all kinds of applications to learn objects correctly. Some of the objects written by Microsoft is some little bit wrong, so it need to be updated. And validations in PDF forms is also not good. It's not too good, but it's okay. Microsoft certified is not very robust in identifying objects for web applications. In normal data applications, it is very good, but for web application, it won't be. Let's come. Let us move on with interesting topics in the Worksoft. That's about the functionalities of the Worksoft. From this we comes to know clearly about the working of Worksoft. It accelerates the projects and increases the efficiency and mitigate risks with continuous automated test of end-to-end business process. And it is easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to integrate the data, easy to scale, and also it is 100% code free. What is 100% code free? As it we know, it accelerates the projects, it reduces errors and improve the efficiency with code free technology, and that allows business users and IT to work parallelly. That is meant by 100% code free. And and DevOps ready. DevOps ready means it adopts a step from approach which ensures quality before deployment, and execute test has a continuous testing delivery cycle, and also flexible and sustainability. And it is a good part of Worksoft. It maximizes the efficiency and accelerates the success with a library of reusable common scenario that we can customize and dynamically update through a single touch point. And also scalability means it can test hundreds and thousands of business process for hours and updates thousands of tests in just minutes. We can update thousands of tests in just a minute. And also intelligent, where Worksoft is too smart. It simplifies maintenance and accelerates migrates with reusable automation as such that we can use it across various projects. And also coming to another few features of Workshop helps in accelerates SAP, innovates and minimizes risk with eliminating manual effort. And also Worksoft, a leading provider of automated testing solutions of Mac enterprises applications, today announced that Microsoft Certified has achieved the destination commercial financial automated testing tool, and SAP in automated software testers magazine's 2012 applications honors. Microsoft has received the top awarded for the second year in a row. In 2 years it was awarded. And also the new capture engine uses the new advanced object and action recognition technology, and also allows business users to easily capture and document text and distribute it as a standalone agent to any user in the world. And this is all what about. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. We discussed a lot things about Worksoft futures of Worksoft, and also functionalities and how it works and how many how many ways it can work. So thank you for your interest and attention to this video. Thank you guys.